Dyson's digital motor V9 is the heart of a new kind of hairdryer. It spins up to 110,000 times per minute with one inaudible frequency, so it's faster and lighter than some other motors, making this hairdryer engineered for balance. Heat and power adjust easily for fast drying, while air temperature is monitored 20 times a second and regulated by a microprocessor, which helps prevent extreme heat damage to protect natural shine. And the Dyson Smoothing nozzle produces smooth air that dries and styles simultaneously. Dyson Supersonic, the hairdryer Rethought.